Hey you guys, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. I am your girl Champagne, your licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist. And here on this channel, I cover topics about being an esthetician. In today's video, it is going to be really great. I decided to create a vision board for 2023 for the first time on YouTube and for the first time it being a digital vision board, okay? In today's video, we're going to talk more about that. So one thing I want to talk about is taking your ambitions and turning them into real results by achieving the goals you set forward for yourself, you guys. So if you have a desire, if you have a dream, you want to be able to implement this into your goals for 2023. So I will first share with you some of the desires I have started to implement in my life, and then stay tuned for the video where I share how easily I create my vision board for 2023. Okay, so first and foremost, one of my top goals for 2023 is to save more and spend less, you guys. Therefore, I want to be able to save at least 70% of my income. You guys heard me say this multiple times. I want to be able to save 70% of my income from my business or my current job that I'm going to be working at full time. I feel I will be a better, more confident individual and be more eager to try new things once I achieve my goal of spending less and saving more. I don't know about y'all, but that's how I feel. I just do better when I do this, okay? I have always had a desire to work smarter and not harder. Now, however, I find myself working harder 90% of the time, but in 2023, I want to change this, okay? And start implementing effective systems in my life to help my work-life flow more smoothly, you guys, okay? Therefore, I want to stick to a calendar that works best for me to help me with my business and work-related tasks I need to accomplish throughout the year. So additionally, I want to create either a quarterly or a yearly content for social media pages this year, okay? So I've been looking at this thing on YouTube. I've seen a couple of YouTubers talk about the 12-week plan in a year or something like that. I'm looking into it, but I still haven't found a great video that kind of like break it down in my understanding. I watched a couple, but it's not bringing me in. But anywho, I want to be able to create content either yearly or quarterly, you know, just so I can save time doing other things like working my full-time job and creating content for you guys. I want to live a decluttered lifestyle. So I've talked about this multiple times. I just like less is best. And I also want to cook healthier meals, okay? Like more vegetarian options for my family. I also want to reduce our technology usage in the house and focus more on outdoor activities and visiting family members twice a year. Okay, so these are all very important for me moving forward in 2023. I feel that eating healthy is crucial for the way of living for my life. You know, I want to be able to eat more tasty vegetarian foods, and I want to be able to make more. And I actually have like 4 different meals that I plan on making this week. I also want to try traveling more often, being that I'm in a new state and most of my family is back at home in Nebraska. I want to be able to travel a lot more, just twice a year, to go back and visit them and just be outdoors and having fun, you guys, you know, just doing those things. It matters. It's now time to move on to how I will create my first digital vision board for 2023. I will show you how to create a vision board for your cell phone lock screen. So it does not matter if you have an iPhone or an Android, you can do this. And I'll be showing you how to do so with my Android phone. I'm not an iPhone person, I'm Android. So y'all can say what y'all want to say. Okay. Before I get started, I want to let you guys know that I will just strictly be showing you how to create a vision board that you can use on your phone for either a wallpaper, a standalone wallpaper, or a lock screen wallpaper, whichever one you want. But you can use this on your phone for that reason. Probably be better to use it for a lock screen just so you can be able to read everything else on your phone, but it depends on how you make it. So I'm going to be creating a vision board for this, and I think this is really cool too, because when you get to your phone, it gives you inspiration as far as, oh my gosh, I see this is my goals for the year. So you know, you take the pictures that resonate with you and follow through with it. Imagery is everything, right? Sometimes all we need is photos to move on something. So that's how I'm going to be creating this vision board for 2023, and I'll also show you guys and share with you guys what that looked like on my phone, so you guys get to see it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get through with this walkthrough. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Hey you guys, okay, so I'm quickly just typing in wallpaper. You can also type in Android wallpaper or iPhone wallpaper, and then you're gonna choose a template that you want. You can start from scratch by just deleting everything as you see me do here, and I'm going to stop talking and just have you guys watch. Hey you guys, I know I look a little crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to add this image on here for your screen. So you're gonna go to your settings, and then you're gonna go to wallpaper, right? And so then you're gonna click browse my wallpaper, right? Okay, we're gonna click this one, and then we're gonna hit done. Okay, we want to do this on lock screen, so it let us know how we want to do this. So we're gonna uncheck mark that, because I don't want it on my home screen, but it shows you, if you can see, it kind of shows you how it's going to look on the home screen and on your lock screen. So I'm just going to do preview so we can see This is so pretty. Yes, I'm hitting done. Changes apply to lock screen. So boom, y'all. So, and then the cool thing is once you do that, all the colors that's in that picture kind of get added to your phone color palette. That's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm gonna hit apply. Bam. Then we get out and we get out, and I'm about to show you guys. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoy watching me create my vision board for 2023. And if you like to see more videos like this, please let me know. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.